Okay, real talk. Most people retire scared as hell. I was one of them. I'm talking about lying awake at 2 a.m. wondering if I'd be eating cat food at 75. You know that feeling? Look, I figured out how to flip the script. Instead of hoping my money lasts, I now know I'll have income coming in. And I'm gonna show you exactly how I did it. But first, if this sounds like something you need to hear, hit that like button. It actually helps more people find this stuff. Point number 1, start stupidly small. Seriously. You don't need thousands right away. Here's what nobody tells you. You don't need to make $10,000 a month on day 1. That's insane pressure, right? I started with a goal of making $100 extra per month. That's it. Just 100. Then I aimed for $500, then $1,000. Why? Because your brain can handle $100. Your brain goes, yeah, okay, that seems doable. But tell your brain you need $10K and it just shuts down. Small wins are everything. I'll never forget my first commission check. $47. I was sitting in my kitchen, opened the envelope, and just stared at it. It wasn't life-changing money, but it changed everything in my head. Because for the first time, I had proof that this stuff actually works. That regular people like me can make money online. That $47 gave me more confidence than any motivational video ever could. It grows faster than you think. Here's the crazy part. I only worked on this 1 hour a day. 1 hour! While watching Netflix half the time, if I'm being honest. But 1 hour a day is 365 hours a year. That's like 9 full work weeks focused just on your future income. And when you're consistent, weird things start happening. The money starts compounding. The skills get better. Everything accelerates. Pause. Talk to me. All right, before I keep going, I want to know, what's keeping you up at night about retirement? Drop a comment right now. Is it the money thing? Worried you'll be bored? Scared of becoming irrelevant? I read every single comment, and honestly, your questions inspire half my videos. So talk to me down there. Point number 2, the system that actually works. No tech headaches. Look, I'm not a tech guy. I can barely figure out my TV remote half the time. So when I found a system that was already built, like completely done, I was all over it. No building websites, no figuring out payment stuff, no staying up until 3 a.m. trying to fix broken code. Everything was just there. Ready to go? I plugged in, followed the steps, and started making money. That's it. Learning that doesn't suck. You know what I hate? Marketing courses that make you feel stupid. All that jargon and complicated theory. This was different. They explained everything like I was talking to a friend who happened to be really good at business. No fancy words, no confusing strategies. Just do this, then do that, then do this other thing. I actually looked forward to the training calls. Weird, right? Real people, real support. Here's what I didn't expect. The community part was huge. Every week there's a live call where you can ask questions. Real questions. Like, hey, I tried this thing and it didn't work. What am I doing wrong? But the best part? Everyone's going through the same stuff. So when you're having a rough week, someone else is celebrating a win. When you're celebrating, someone else needs encouragement. It's like having a bunch of business partners who actually care about your success. Point number 3. What peace actually feels like. No more market panic. You know that sick feeling when the stock market crashes and your 401k disappears overnight? Yeah, I don't get that anymore. Not because I don't care about money, but because I'm not dependent on Wall Street's mood swings. When you control your own income streams, market crashes become background noise instead of panic attacks. I still invest in the market, but it's extra money, not survival money. Actually enjoying your family. My version of retirement isn't sitting on a beach doing nothing. It's having the freedom to say yes to what matters. When my daughter calls and wants to take a weekend trip, I don't have to calculate every expense. When my grandson has a soccer game on a Tuesday afternoon, I can be there. That's what financial freedom actually gives you. Time freedom. Building something that lasts. Here's the thing about 401ks. They get spent and disappear. A business? That can outlive you. I'm not just securing my retirement. I'm teaching my kids how to think differently about money. I'm showing them that you don't have to depend on a company or the government for your future. That's a legacy. That's something worth building. Final call. All right, if you're thinking, okay, this sounds good, but how do I actually start? I've got you covered. Go to www.prosperitygameplan.com and grab the free blueprint. It's the exact step-by-step plan I followed. No fluff, no theory, just the real stuff that works. And seriously, tell me in the comments, what would retirement peace look like for you? Travel? Family time? Finally starting that hobby you've been putting off? I want to know. If this helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe. I put out new videos every week about building real wealth without the Wall Street nonsense. I'll see you in the next one.